Earlier this month, I did a segment and mentioned that August was U.S. Farm-Raised Catfish Month. And since then, I've received questions regarding where and how is it farmed. So let me show you. It all starts in beautiful open-air farms like these throughout the South. Before the fish enter the pond, they're raised in nurseries in fresh water. Once they're big enough, they're carefully moved into ponds that are filled with water that is pumped from underground aqua-filtered wells. Then the fish are fed a high-protein pellet that floats on top of the water, which means these beauties are top feeders, ensuring that every bite that we take will be clean and sweet tasting. Once they're just the right size, they're harvested and rushed to the processing plant where they're ready to ship to us within hours. This process may sound easy, but let me assure you, these catfish farmers work hard to exceed our expectations. As a matter of fact, I think tonight I'm going to make my recipe for lemonade infused catfish, which is a perfect summertime dish. To get the recipe, you know what to do. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I'm glad I could share with you a behind-the-scenes way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.